Need to count words or characters fast? This free tool does it instantly. No sign up, no apps. Let me show you. Go to NexaTools and open the Word and Character Counter. Just type here or paste your text. The moment you start, it counts everything for you. Live. You get words, characters, and characters without spaces. It also counts your sentences and paragraphs, and it even shows your reading time, how long it takes someone to read your text. This is perfect for essays, blog posts, and social media captions. When Twitter or a meta description has a character limit, this keeps you inside it easily. Everything runs in your browser, so your text stays private. Nothing is saved. It's 100% free, link in the description. Try it now at NexaTools.